So the last time it snowed in Jacksonville was 1989. And every time I look at this weather map, it's a little bit closer. Like 2 days ago, we weren't going to get anything. And back in 1989, it covered the snow so heavy that people were able to sled down the Dames Point Bridge. So late Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, we could see freezing rain, snow, and look, I'm from the Midwest. And what I'm mostly worried about is the black ice, because people in Jacksonville already don't know how to drive. So we're going to be white knuckling it, Grandma. So bundle up and stay safe. At this point, the forecast shows up to a ½ inch of snow. And what's your prediction? Are we going to see snow after 35 years?